Boy Johnny back again with another video. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Guys, I'm gonna sell the truck. I finally came to the decision. I'm gonna sell it, guys. Stay tuned, and we're gonna get this truck sold. Let's go. Literally my last day with her, guys. It's a lot to take in, guys. You know, this truck has come a long way. If you guys kept up with the channel, you guys could literally go check it out. Like, literally check my channel and look at all the videos of the truck I put. Like, this shit was literally bone stock. I've got it to where it's at right now. In 1.3 miles. So yeah, just stay tuned with the video, guys. And yeah, catch you guys in a bit. I can't, dude. I can't believe I'm gonna get rid of this truck. It's crazy, but like I said, guys, it's only to get something better. Stay tuned with the channel, guys. It's the last time I'm gonna see the truck, guys. Last cold start. Ahí está, ya se fue, guys. It's gone just like that. I wasn't able to close out yesterday's video because obviously, yeah, I was kind of, you know, I'm not depressed, but like, you know, kind of just, you know, damn, like I really sold it, you know. I still couldn't believe that I sold it, you know what I mean? So, and till right now too, I still can't, like, I go in the garage, I'm just like, damn, it's really not here no more, you know? And it's something you have to take in. Anyways, like I said, we're gonna go pick up the plate, pick up my charger, and pick up my garage opener, more importantly too, as well. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go see the truck one last time. I'm actually gonna go see a vehicle sometime this week. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm not gonna say what kind of vehicle it is. Like I said, comment down below what you guys think I'm gonna get next. I'm obviously gonna get something else, obviously. Comment down below what you guys think. Okay, so we're literally just pulling in to the homie's house where the mamalona's at. Está la mamalona. Sheesh. New owner. Compa Gabriel. New owner, ahí está. Está igualita. Sheesh. Ahí está. Has a Mustang también. Sheesh. It was custom painted in Cali. Damn, this shit's clean. The paint, it's like
it's like 7 years old.
It's like
yeah, it has like kind of like a low right.
Yeah, it has like in the sun como que se ve más like lighter. Yeah, damn, that shit's clean.
Yeah, it's like that.
Damn.
I'm gonna super it up later. Probably supercharge it.
Yeah, that shit's clean, bro. Okay. Is this black or is it like gold? It's like gold, huh?
Yeah, so with the sun, like with the light.
Yeah, it's like gold.
It changes colors.
It's like a brown and like, yeah, that shit's sick, bro. Sheesh. We just picked up my garage opener, which is mainly one of the reasons I came. My plate, which is, I'll show half of it. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter no more because it's not really a plate. My charger. And, oh, I also left my fucking measuring tape in there, guys. So those of you guys that know me, I do landscaping, so this will actually come in handy, obviously need that. And my charger, my double port charger. Sheesh, you gotta have the double ports, you gotta have them. But anyways, guys, like I said, right now I'm probably just gonna go head back home. I'll keep vlogging for you guys. Probably gonna stop by and put some gas because this thing needs some gas. Problems with owning V8s. The Mamalona used to get hella, like every week I would have to fill it up with gas as well. Same thing here. All right, you guys, we just made it back here home. Got myself some boba and some, oh shit, and some, I forget what these are called, epoxies. So yeah, these are bomb, especially with some, well, it's not, this isn't, it doesn't have boba, but this is a boba place. But this drink is super bomb. It's like a tea, and it has like strawberries and peaches, and it's just bomb. It's just bomb. I think it's called Very Berry. So if you guys ever go to Sumo Snow here in Arizona, get the Very Berry. It's super bomb, super recommended. But anyways, guys, this is how I'm gonna close out the video, guys. Yes, I sold the truck. I sold it, guys, but I sold it for a very good price, you know. And just stay tuned for what's coming, guys. I couldn't pass up on the opportunity because of the price. The price was just so good that they were giving me. I just said, fuck it, you know, let's just do it. My intention was never to sell the truck. I actually here, let me tell you guys a quick story. So my cousin was offering me like 11K for my truck, And I was like, nah, well, if I sell it, I was looking more for like 12, you know, 12K. And, you know, me dio la curiosidad, you know, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just upload it on OfferUp and see what people got to offer me. But my intention was just never to sell it. It was just like testing the waters, you know what I mean? So I posted it up. I was actually gonna post it up for 12K. But I said, you know what, just fuck it, let's just post it up for 15. Let's just see if they really give me what I really want, you know, like 15K. I mean, why not, you know? And, you know, for everything you sell, there's always a buyer, you know? And, you know, I couldn't pass up on the offer these people were giving me, so, you know, I obviously took it. It was a really good deal. So, you know what, I said, fuck it, let's just do it. You know, the kid really wanted the truck as well, and you could already tell that he's gonna take really good care of it. He's a good kid. Shout out to my homie Gabriel. I was just with him right now, as you guys seen earlier. I was just with him, but I just got home. And hey man, congrats, you know, congrats to him on his new truck. You know, that's honestly a clean truck. I always took good care of it. You guys seen, always took good care of it. And yeah guys, you know, I mean, and on to better things, you know. Like I said, stay tuned. Just stay tuned guys. I'm super excited. Like, I'm literally smiling right now because I'm just thinking about it, and I'm just like, damn bro, you know, like, just stay tuned with the channel guys. Stay tuned for what's coming guys. Just trust me. Just trust me on this. Better things are coming guys. I promise you. What's coming next is gonna, whew. Well, in my opinion, I think it's just better, you know. So just stay tuned guys with the channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and everything, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. It's your boy Johnny. Let's go.